We are going to make Sütlaç, a traditional Turkish dessert made with rice and milk.
We haven't got a cooker at school, so we are going to use a thermomix.
The ingredients for the recipe are 100 grams of uncooked rice, 500 milliliters of water, 1 liter of whole milk, 60 milliliters of heavy cream, 150 grams of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt.
First, we're going to put the butterfly whisk on top the blades.
Next, we are going to pour 950 milliliters of milk. The water. The rice. And the vanilla extract. Now we are going to set the thermometer to 45 minutes, 90 degrees centigrade, speed 1. Next, we are going to dissolve in the cornstarch in the remaining 50 milliliters of milk. Finally, we are going to add the heavy cream, the sugar and the cornstarch, and set the machine to 10 minutes, 90 degrees centigrade, speed 1. would have to wait for it to cool down before eating it.